Hello, Assalamu alaikum everyone. I'm Inahil Maniwali and I'm a student in Han School Online Academy. So today I watched a TEDx video titled A Simple Way to Break a Bad Habit, and it was presented by Judson Brewer. In his enlightening TEDx talk titled A Simple Way to Break a Bad Habit, a psychiatrist and neuroscientist Judson Brewer presents a fresh, science based approach to overcoming habits that hold us back, like smoking, emotional eating, or excessive phone use. Rather than relying on willpower or punishment, Brewer introduces mindfulness as a surprisingly effective and lasting method to change deeply rooted behaviors. The talk begins by addressing a reality most of us know too well: bad habits are hard to break. Despite knowing they're harmful, we often fall back into them again and again. Why? Because bad habits aren't just about action, they are about reward based learning. Brewer explains that our brains are wired to repeat behaviors that bring short term rewards, even if they cause long term harm. He simplifies this brain behavior into a cycle: trigger, behavior, reward. For example, if you're feeling stressed, trigger, you might eat a piece of chocolate, behavior, and get a momentary sense of relief or pleasure, reward. Over time, your brain learns to seek the chocolate automatically when you feel stressed. This loop becomes a habit. What's powerful in Brewer's approach is that he doesn't try to force you out of this loop. He encourages you to become curious about it. Rather than fighting your habit with willpower, which often fails, Brewer recommends cultivating awareness of the moment. He illustrates this through clinical trials and real patient experiences, especially those of smokers. When they were guided to become curious about what smoking felt like, many noticed it was not nearly as pleasurable as their minds had built it up to be. One participant noted that cigarettes actually taste like dirty cheese, a humorous but powerful shift in perception. By encouraging people to truly experience their habits mindfully, examining the physical sensations, emotions, and thoughts involved, Brewer shows how the illusion of reward begins to fade. Over time, the brain naturally lets go of the behavior because it's no longer associated with pleasure. Uh, Curiosity becomes the new reward. And unlike willpower, curiosity doesn't deplete with use, it expands and empowers. One of the most impressive parts of this talk is how accessible and non judgmental Brewer's approach is. He acknowledges that breaking bad habits is hard and that shame or guilt only reinforces the cycle. Instead, mindfulness allows space for self compassion and learning. This perspective resonates deeply in a culture that often values hustle over healing. His presentation is engaging, laced with humor, and supported by research. You don't need to be a scientist to understand his points, his visuals and analogies, um, which makes neuroscience approachable. It's especially powerful when he demonstrates how our ancient brain mechanisms, originally meant for survival, now work against us in the modern world of endless temptations and instant gratification. By the end of the talk, you're left not only with insight but also with a practical tool. The next time you feel the urge to indulge a bad habit like smoking, pause and become curious. Ask, what does this feel like? What thoughts are running through my mind? Do I really enjoy this? Judson Brewer's A Simple Way to Break a Bad Habit is more than just a talk, it's a shift in mindset. It offers a powerful yet gentle way to change by replacing force with awareness and punishment with presence. Whether you're dealing with procrastination, stress eating, or digital distraction, this talk will give you the real insight into how your brain works and how you can work with it to truly break free. So, this was the short review that I wanted to share today, and I hope that you liked it. So, that's all for now. Bye bye.